Security cameras come in many shapes and sizes, but one that can fit in the palm of your hand, well, that's certainly something new. With the cost of at-home security reassurance costing near to nothing nowadays, EZVIZ has challenged themselves to create a device that is compact but packing enough quality to make it a powerhouse in terms of security surveillance. This is the EZVIZ BC2 Mini Wireless Indoor Security Camera, with features and abilities like 1080p crisp video, two-way audio, and human motion detection, just to name a few. This tiny compact camera is bound to be interesting. So let's take a look at this little guy in a bit more detail and unbox it. So out of the box, you get everything you could possibly need to get this up and running. You get the BC2 camera, a magnetic base, a basic power cable, foam sticker for mounting along with the mounting bracket, and a basic user manual. What's great about this device, it is very easy to set up and use. This tiny camera is completely battery powered thanks to the onboard 2000 mAh rechargeable battery. It can deliver a 1080p HD video resolution, capturing for up to 50 days. And that's all from a single charge. Now, from the offset, you can't deny this device is looking pretty good so far. If we take a look at the camera itself, its small form factor partnered up with its black minimalistic look makes for an ideal product for anyone who wants a discreet and reliable video monitoring in their home. At a size of 39.1mm by 39.1 by 51.3mm, this is able to maintain a low weight at 85.6 grams. Because it weighs near to nothing, mounting it is an absolute breeze. There is so many installation options, they are endless. The supplied magnetic base has a ball head which allows the camera to be positioned at a variety of angles. There is enough friction with the ball head that the position does not change or drift once set. It is pretty tight. Both the bottom of the stand and the topmost portion is magnetic. You could use the adhesive pad for a more permanent install, but the options are there for you. The magnetic mount is pretty strong. Well, that and the fact the camera hardly weighs anything. Whether it be fridges, metal pillars, chandeliers, and so much more, you can really be creative with where you position this. The installation has been rather simple. In fact, to do it, all you need to do is install the partnering app. If you scan the QR code on the minicam, it will take you directly to the install page. We can go ahead and hit the reset button on the camera and head to the add device option within the EZVIZ app. Here we can simply search for the BC2 Mini. It may take a couple of minutes, but a connection will be made. Just ensure you have connected to the same Wi-Fi network and you'll be good to go. Once connected, you'll see that the EZVIZ app has a clean and simple layout, showing the main screen with the active camera feed along with the battery life and the number of events recorded. Tapping the camera preview option opens up the live view. Here, you can take a screenshot, record video, enable two-way talk, and go into the full camera settings. There is also an option to allow for multitasking. You can pop the screen out and still use your phone, making it great for a baby monitor or front door camera so you don't miss a parcel. One of my favorite features that works extremely well is the working mode. Here the camera captures events whenever motion is detected, or to allow continuous recording whenever the camera is plugged into a permanent power supply. There is a lot of versatility in how you can use this. There is also an option to set the working mode based on a schedule that suits you. For example, you can set continuous recording during the night and then only capture clips when motion is detected during the day. Now for me, this comes in very useful because I work from home, so I don't really need continuous recording during the day. So I just set it to motion detection, and then at night time, I have it to continuously record. It just adds increased reassurance. You could also set motion sensitivity and set up the detection zone. This blocks out unwanted recordings and notifications in high traffic areas. For example, if I'm having this placed inside looking out of my front porch, I can block out areas where cars are regularly moving and maintain a fixed point near my front door. Human shape detection can also be enabled if you mostly want to focus on humanoid motion. This actually works surprisingly really well, and it stops for false reports on your phone. There is a slight lag time of about 3 seconds from when motion is detected to when you actually receive that notification on your phone. Now, that isn't too bad considering its size and the main purpose that most people will likely use it for. Nevertheless though, I haven't experienced a time when I didn't receive a notification letting me know about any motion, so that is reassuring. The quality of the video is pretty good as you would expect. Overall, there is a good amount of detail in silhouettes and facial features, and at a 100-degree viewing angle, you can see a decent amount of the room, meaning most medium-sized rooms allow for 100% coverage. The two-way audio feature allows you to speak in real time to anyone through your phone. The camera picks up sound and transmits it to your phone, and when you speak, that is then transmitted back to the camera. There is a slight delay in response time, but nothing more than a sheer second. Just a nice feature to be able to talk to family members or utilize it as a baby monitoring device. In addition to crisp 1080p video quality, the BC2 renders clear night vision to provide peace of mind even in pitch black darkness. You get a viewable image of up to 16 feet, which is more than enough to pick up any facial features up close. All in all, the EZVIZ BC2 Mini is such a convenient compact device that allows the average consumer to take comfort in knowing that their interior security is catered for. With its lightweight and mini design, this can be placed almost anywhere, and I mean anywhere. You can easily pick it up and move it to another location without having to worry about unplugging and setting it up again. With its internal battery delivering enough power to last up to 50 days, and the option to have this plugged in for continuous recording, you have a very versatile camera that is a bargain for the price. Be sure to check out the product in a link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.